She was a heavy drug user. Now she's standing in court, pleading for a second chance, while her 4 children wait at home. The judge has one question: how often were you using? What happens next might change your life forever.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. I can have parties announced.
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
Are you Miss Bloss?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Probation, this is an application. Miss Bloss, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Ms. Bloss, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
This isn't just about punishment. This is about protecting her kids and holding her accountable.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams? That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
I'm sorry. Was it? No. Yes.
But she hasn't asked us for your plea yet. She just asked me to understand.
Yes, I can
You
understand.
remember
I
what,
apologize.
hold on, do you remember when I asked you, do you know what a jury is and what a jury does?
Yes.
We had that diatribe about that.
Yes.
That's what she's referring to right now. And is it your intention to give up the rights?
Yes.
Contained in the waiver?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
In my opinion, she does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she was, Your Honor.
Ms. Bloss, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Notice how the judge repeatedly presses her honesty, because in drug court, lies will only delay help.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution to the Bexar County Lab of $60, a TAP evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No, no objection.
All right, states, you may be excused.
Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just pray that the court follow the plea agreement that's been negotiated between counsel and the state.
All right. How often have you been using?
It's been a while since that night, 2024.
All right, so before then, how often were you using?
It was pretty heavy.
All right, do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
I have a 17-year-old. I have a 11-year-old. I have a 6-year-old and a 5-year-old.
And Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am.
And rights terminated?
No, ma'am.
Who are the children with?
My two oldest are with my mother, and the other two are with their father at home.
Have you had employment?
Not recently, no, ma'am. I've been at home with the two younger children.
Parenting classes instead of 200 hours of community service? That's a chance at rebuilding, not just repaying.
In the home.
How far did you go in school?
I did get my GED and I did complete my billing and coding specialist.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 200 hours of community service restitution. That will be waived upon completion of parenting classes. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And in custody, I'm going to want a TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court, follow all recommendations. And there's to be $60 restitution to the Bexar County lab for testing. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And counsel, there was something you wanted to say?
Well, no, Your Honor, just wanted to, so you want her to be in custody for the TAP evaluation?
Yes.
So they're gonna do, you know, we talked about the TAP evaluation, but since we said the court would make a decision,
Okay.
so that she will let you out, so she's gonna
Stay incarcerated.
stay in custody until they do the TAP evaluations. Do we know about how
Please
long?
be honest. If you're honest, felony drug court will accept you. If you're dishonest, they're going to say no, and then it's going to be a longer wait for the TAP evaluation.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
And that's usually, I think the wait's about a week or about 2 weeks. I don't want to hold anybody to the,
Till August.
stuff where we're at. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
Yes, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to let the court know, okay? All right, good luck to you.
He stood before the judge with 3 felony cases. She gave him one last chance, and he chose prison. Now a convicted felon, Noah Gonzalez must face the consequences, not just in court, but for the rest of his life. The judge didn't hold back. You made the easy choice, but now it's going to follow you forever. Watch this COmplementary Case till the end to understand it completely.
All right, counsel, you're standing in.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Umberto Dalia asked me to stand in.
All right,
Apparently his daughter is having a baby right now.
yes. So on this case, you understand what his options are?
Judge, that's what it took me a while to get up here.
Yeah.
And I've been sitting with him for the past 30 minutes trying to get him to do the right option.
Mhm. All right, and what I can tell you, the issue with Mr. Gonzalez, although the state didn't proceed on it, they only proceeded on a violation of condition number 4. And of course, when people have these type of charges and they're not reporting, I don't know if they're using drugs or not because they're not reporting. So do you know which option your client is requesting?
He's requesting the 200 days at the court.
Oh, no. He wants to be revoked. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 6757, 2024 CR 007444, and 2024 CR 007423, State versus Noah Javier Gonzalez. Can I have the state announce?
Deputy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Defense.
Robert Porter standing on behalf of Humberto Saldana, Mr. Gonzalez.
And are you Noah Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Noah Javier Gonzalez.
All right, we were here on this case on July 21st. In each case, you pled true to a violation of condition number 4. The state waived the remaining violations. The court gave you an option to either be revoked on each motion and sent to the state jail facility for 200 days. Your previous attorney had a medical emergency involving a family member. The attorney who's standing in is Mr. Robert Porter. Do you have any objections to this attorney standing in?
No, ma'am.
All right, and Mr. Porter, did you have an opportunity to speak with him regarding his options?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Gonzalez, have you had ample opportunity to speak with Mr. Porter about your options and Mr. Umberto about your options?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand the consequences of your choices and the options that the court has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you wish to be revoked?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then state you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
And cause number 2024 CR 6757, as previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Probation, was there any restitution ever determined for the complainants under that case? It should be a Daniel Chapa and Cynthia Chapa. And then, and cause number 2000, oh, I'm sorry, and under that cause number, it's to run concurrent with 2024 CR 007423 and 2024 CR 007444. Then in cause number 2024 CR 007423, the court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is to run concurrent with 2024 CR 6757 and 2024 CR 007444. And there's to be no contact with Wesley, Wesley Kohn, COHN. And cause number 2024 CR 007444. Court is finding you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 200 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 007423. 2024 CR 6757. And there's to be no contact with Faerun, Faerun, Marie, Whippleman, Weppelman, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Counsel, is there anything else with regards to sentencing
No, Your Honor.
and those cause numbers?
No, Your Honor.
And let me just make sure. All right, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign them?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are felony convictions, you are not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So you have made the easy choice in your life, which, I mean, that's what you've done. And what's going to end up happening is these cases are going to follow you around for the rest of your life because now you are going to be a felon. And as I previously told you, these cases involve crimes of moral turpitude. So that's going to preclude you from doing certain things. Do you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. And now you know where children come from if you didn't know before. Do not continue to have children that you cannot afford and that you're just depending on your grandparents or her grandparents to be babysitters. If a grandparent wants to babysit your child and act as the daycare, that's completely up to them. That shouldn't be your plan.
Definitely not.
Well, I mean, you're going to jail. It is your plan. You're not supporting your child. And you're going to have to figure out a way how to do that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Sorry, sir.